Hello children, today we are going to learn the letter P. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter P. P for pumpkin, P for panda, P for parrot, P for pineapple, P for plant. This is the letter P. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. Penny the panda planted pumpkins near a pineapple. A playful parrot was flying over the plant. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Talk about difference between parrot and panda. T. Listen the letter P by watching video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of P. A. Collect smooth pebbles and let children paint them with paints. M. Count objects beginning with the sound P around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. P-E-T, pet. P-I-N, pin. P-E-T, pet. Well done, children. Goodbye.